What's up guys, Boulet Doyen Motor. Well, I'm still in Benelli and look what I found. This is a BN600 from Benelli. It's a 4-cylinder bike, 600cc. Inverted fork, 4-cylinder, double disc in front. Apparently the exhaust has been changed. Metzeler tire. Quite impressive bike. Some carbon part as well. (6,300 kilometers total for that bike. We're in neutral. Very characteristic 4-cylinder sound. (83 degrees). Quite, I mean, it's not so heavy. I mean, you get the weight that you expect on this kind of bike. So first impression, the tank is very large, very wide. Neutral is not so easy to find. Keep jumping from the first to the second gear. We feel the heat of the 4-cylinder for sure. But the bike is not so, I mean, you can see it's not so tall. My feet touch perfectly the ground. But yeah, I definitely feel the heat of the 4-cylinder. That's one of the reasons we don't have big CC bike in Bali. It's too hot. I feel the heat of the exhaust or the heat of the bike on my back. She doesn't really like the constant acceleration. But otherwise she's not so violent. I mean, it's only a 600cc. It's not so violent, still quite docile. But yeah, the heat. Problem is the heat, guys. Braking is perfect. I love the fact that you have two front disc brake. I found the neutral. I guess when she's warm enough, then you find the neutral more easily. Suspension are really stiff. And on the toll road, the road is really bumpy. Impressive bike. I don't have any more gear. Did I lose the chain? No. The fuck? What's going on? The chain is here still. Don't have any more coupling. What the hell? We're gonna push it over there. Let's figure out what happened to her. Why do I don't have a gear that go in? What's the problem? I'm gonna call.
Itu tadi saya di gigi 5, terus dia seperti tidak ada gigi lagi. Terus saya berhenti, dimatikan, terus seperti gigi tidak bisa masuk. Neutral bisa, itu gigi tidak bisa masuk, gigi 1 tidak bisa masuk, gigi 2, gigi apapun tidak bisa masuk. Posisi di luar tol, kalau ambil tol, di luar tol ada pom bensin di sebelah kiri, terus ada temple Chinese temple. Ya, tidak bisa jalan. Itu dia tidak bisa masuk gigi. Ya, seperti clutch nggak berfungsi. Aneh. Oke. Oh, maybe. No, it was a chain. I thought, oh, that could be the case actually. She could be out from the chain. The chain jumped. Yeah, I guess it's the chain. She jumped. Does he have some tool in here? Nope. We lost it.
Ilmu tali penali kebetulan saya belum bisa.
So we're gonna go back with the truck.
Banyak masalah apa aja?
Oh, karburasi apa injeksi?
Oh, injection.
Suspensi
Oh, settingnya harus.
terlalu keras.
Oh,
Apalagi barang Itali harus hati-hati.
ya.
Seperti apa? Dari awal waktu saya mulai mesinnya, tunggu sebentar, panasin
Ya, harus
mesinnya,
panas dulu, ya.
liquidnya bisa apa bergerak di dalam, oli bisa naik ke semana-mana.
Mengemas dulu ya.
Ya,
Seperti Alfa Romeo ya.
seperti semua barang Itali,
Italia.
Ducati sama. Apa semua motor motor Jepang juga
seharusnya begitu.
harusnya begitu.
Cuman lebih reliable ya motor Jepang ya.
Sama. So what happened? It was actually the big nut that
Yeah.
hold the gear, the front sprocket.
Yap.
That was not strong enough, and it just released the nut released.
Yeah.
So basically, what happened is that I couldn't have any gear.
Oh ya, then it's just spinning
Yeah,
ya.
it was spinning and not doing anything.
Yeah. Without any sound.
Yeah,
Oh?
nothing. Just like and then wang. Like
Usually kan.
I thought at first I lost the chain.
Ya, just like.
Dulu saya pikir itu rantai lepas.
pun lepas, ya.
Terus saya lihat masih ada rantai atau enggak? Ah, masih ada.
Ah.
Terus tidak rantai. Oh, mungkin ada masalah clutch. Mungkin kabel clutchnya patah.
Ya.
Terus itu tidak masuk akal karena kalau patah saya masih bisa ada gigi kan?
Bisa ada gigi satu ya. Ya, I think.
Then when I stopped, I realized that the chain was not aligned. Saya lihat
Oh.
itu rantainya tidak lurus.
Ya.
Terus saya pikir oke. Terus saya pikir rantai lepas dari sprocket. I
Ya.
thought that it was just out of the sprocket, the chain.
Ya, gear depan oval ya.
Yeah. And then no, actually it's the bautnya lepas.
ternyata, ya.
The nut. It happened. Tenaga cukup. Mesinnya apa saya suka banget, torsinya
ada ya.
Torsinya bagus banget. Tapi ya sedikit ada masalah. There is some problem with injeksi ada sedikit masalah.
Ya.
Mungkin harus dicuci. Maybe you have to clean the injection.
Sensor ya.
Yeah.
Sensor.
I mean, you know what happened today? It happened to the best bike. I mean, don't judge Benelli on that. I mean, it can happen to any bike.
Ya.
That's part of life.
Anything can happen.
For sure, when it happened, when you do a test ride, it's just like, that's life. The problem is solved. We put it back. It was just the nut that was not mounted properly. The bike was serviced before, apparently by someone who didn't knew what he was doing, and so by running with it, then the nuts was going out, and then the chain was and the sprocket was going out. So basically, we couldn't have any more traction. So that's what happened. So the bike is in good shape now, and it can run again. I hope you enjoyed that video. Shit happened. That's the way it is. See you. Bye bye.